This Writing 90 tutorial is for students who will be submitting drafts for peer review, instructor review, and tutor review. So here we are in the Writing 90 class, and the first time that you will be submitting a draft for review is in module number 2. Here we are in the module. And it says that you're going to upload your draft to 3 places, and I wanted to walk you through those 3 places. The first one is for you to give feedback to one another as students. So the first copy, and it's going to be the same copy in all 3 places, goes to discussion, peer review, and when you click on that, here you are in the discussion board. You start a new thread, just like you would for any other discussion. And you can type in your name, any message that you'd like to type. Perhaps you're having particular difficulty with one of the areas, such as content, organization, or MLA and grammar. If you choose to, you can write a message there, and you add your attachment here, and then you post. So the first obligation that you have is to put your draft up here for other students to review. And then in a very short time, your next assignment will be to go into that discussion board and look for a draft to comment on. But for right now, all you're doing is uploading the paper to the discussion board area. So that's number 1. We come back to module 2. So this is for the student review, and then this one is for feedback, and it says the same draft. So again, it's the same draft in all 3 places. The same draft gets uploaded to the assignments area so the instructor can give feedback privately. So whatever's in the discussion board, everybody can review, but for instructor feedback, that's private, so we put it in the Dropbox or the assignment area. And all you do is you add a file. So again, you're just attaching something here. If you have a question for your instructor, you can put something here in comments, but it's optional, and then you just click submit. So that's the second item that you're going to be doing for that. And here we go back to module 2. And then the third place is upload to NetTutor on the homepage. NetTutor is a free service that we have. You have up to 10 reviews per semester. And it says watch your email inbox for the tutor review. So you're going to submit it. I'll show you that in just a moment. But then you watch your email to get your feedback back from the tutor. And the tutors have master's degree or higher in English. So the feedback is excellent. There's no way in D2L Brightspace for me to link it like I've done for the peer review and the draft, but I put this image here so that you know what you're looking for, and it says look for the NetTutor link on the home page. And some instructors change the look of their Writing 90 class, so it might be on the left, it might be on the right, but here it is, NetTutor. There's also a video available that gives more detailed instructions on how to upload it, but it's quite simple. You just click on NetTutor. So those are the 3 ways that you are going to get feedback on your drafts. Number 1, discussion board with other students. Number 2, in the assignments area for instructor feedback. And number 3, NetTutor for tutor feedback. And that's the same process that you'll do 3 times this semester, 1 for each of your major papers. So I hope that you find that helpful. It's a very good process. Students got amazing feedback and have made great progress from drafts to the final copies. So I hope that that's your experience as well. Take good care. Have a good day.